You do not need money to get started with this method. You do not need followers either. Affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products, and when a sale is made, a commission is earned, and the commissions can be very healthy. The real problem beginners have is not understanding how to reach people. They think they need money for ads. They think they need a big audience. They think they need thousands of followers before they can make a sale. None of that is true. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, practical way to get started with affiliate marketing from zero. No ads, no budget, no audience. Just follow the steps properly and actually do the work. I'm going to break this down into 4 clear steps, so by the end, you're going to know exactly what to do. So step 1 is understand what you're actually selling. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting third-party products. You do not create the product. You do not handle payments. You do not deal with customer support. Your only job is to put the right product in front of the right people. This means 2 things. You need a place to find products, and you need a way to get attention without spending any money. I'll show you both. Step 2, use theme pages to generate traffic for free. This is where most people have never been taught properly. A theme page is simply a social media account focused on one topic: food, pets, health, motivation, business, anything. These pages exist on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and they work because people follow the topics that they're interested in. And here's the important bit. You do not need to create original videos. Most theme pages repost content that already exists and give credit to the original creator. That's it. For example, food pages repost food videos. Dog pages repost dog videos. Motivation pages repost short motivational clips. Some of these pages get tens of thousands or even millions of views per video without even showing their faces. Why does that matter? Because attention equals opportunity. If people are visiting your page and engaging with your content, you now have something valuable, their attention around a specific topic. And that is what allows you to sell relevant products. Step 3 is to grow the page consistently. Growth comes from volume and consistency, not perfection. You'll find content relating to your topic on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, or YouTube. And you repost it on your chosen platform. You simply add captions and overlays. You add simple captions or overlays as needed. So you do not need advanced editing skills. CapCut on your phone is more than enough. Canva works perfectly too. What you want to do is post 3 or 4 times a day if you can. And testing's free, so just test. Some videos will flop. Some videos will surprise you. That's normal. When I started, I had no money either. I built theme pages around topics that I liked and posted consistently. Over time, views came, followers came, and brands even started reaching out to me. Yes, brands will actually pay you just to post a link once you have attention. It's addictive in a good way. You start spotting patterns. You start understanding what performs. And it can absolutely be done alongside a full-time job. Step 4, choose the right products to promote. There are 2 simple places to start: affiliate networks and Amazon. Affiliate networks like ClickBank give you access to thousands of products across business, health, pets, and more. And many pay very high commissions because they make money from repeat customers. Amazon pays you shorter or smaller commissions, but gives you access to almost unlimited products. If you're running a pet page, promote pet products. If you're running a health page, you promote health products. Simple alignment. For example, dog owners spend serious money on their pets. Supplements, accessories, training tools. If one person buys from 100 or 1,000 of views, then the maths really start to add up quick. You place your affiliate link in your bio and reference it in your captions. Some pages also post promotional content temporarily. Post it for 24 hours, generate sales, and remove it to keep the page clean. This keeps reach high while still monetizing attention. Again, this costs nothing but time. So if you're watching this and you want to start making your first $100, $500 or more a month, this is a good place to start. No ads, no budget, no excuses. It is not complicated, but it does require consistency. If you want to learn affiliate marketing properly, subscribe to this channel. That's what I focus on here. And I'll see you in the next video.